I'm going to Austin. That's the whole joke. I'm going to Austin. I'm in Austin today, or for the next couple of days. I decided, wow, I might as well record it. So here I am, recording it. Yeah, isn't that interesting? I usually go down to Austin to visit my sisters who go to the school in Austin, and and I just stay at their apartment and like eat food, their food. But yeah, this is morning of day 2. Day 1, I just drived. I drived a lot. Like 5 hours. And actually before this, I visited Texas A&M, the university there, with my brother and parents because my brother wanted to go on a tour there. Initial reviews, it was kind of weird. They had a lot of rituals, a lot of, I don't want to say weird, but it was a bit too much, really overwhelming. And the campus was actually very pretty. There was a lot of people everywhere, students. The food there, terrible. On the tour, I just walked away and got a hot dog.
Wow.
The hot dog was soggy.
This is college, huh?
It was $5 for 2. Still soggy, even though it was cheap. On the tour, the guy just talked a lot, and we had to listen to him talk. I think I have some clips somewhere. So the tour guide talked about this on campus. It was a century tree, and basically the story goes, if you walk under it with a significant other, like a boyfriend or a girlfriend, then you will be with them for a century, right? And like there's a bunch of stories of people walking under it, oh my god, they got married, yada yada yada. But if you walk under it alone, you will be alone forever. So you know, your boy just had to gritty under it. I'm gonna be grittying forever. You know what I mean? They never said I couldn't gritty. I have defeated the system. And then after that, I drove for another 2 hours. That was kind of cool. Yeah. And then my gas mileage was 17.7. Earlier on the trip from home, that's pretty shit. I don't know why I drive this dumbass car. It's a nice car though. I'ma keep it. And then once we got to Austin, I met up with our sister, my 2 older sisters, and their respective boyfriends. Except one of them isn't a boyfriend yet. He's like on the road to riches. You know what I mean? Like he's in between a boyfriend and a friend. He's friend zoned. Holy shit, he's friend zoned. Damn, that is crazy. And then we went to dinner. That was like 6 p.m. Went to this Peking duck place, Chinese place. It was pretty good. I ate a lot. My poop was a crazy color of brown.
Your food?
It was great. Fantastic. 10 out of 10.
I don't
We'll go
care.
again. I think it's called Bamboo House in Austin. I'll put a link to it somewhere. He's so cute.
And I was saying, where's he? Where's the dog?
Hello.
Okay, we're walking 85 now.
Have fun in college, Brandon. Take good notes.
Thanks, man.
Brandon, are you coming to our classes?
I don't know.
You come to our classes and block.
And then that's it. I went to the apartment and I went to sleep.
Probably not.
It's day 2. I gotta cuff the mic like this so the wind don't get to it. I woke up at like 7, and then in this clip I just chilled and watched YouTube for the next like 3 hours, and then I walked with her to her first class. Austin was really pretty. Super smelly though. Not as smelly as New York, but still really smelly. Alright, we got kicked out of that area. Oh, there's poison ivy right there. We got kicked out of that area, but after walking through Austin with my sister,
I refuse.
I walked with her to her first class, and then she went to her first class, and then I think I went to a pizza place, crushed a whole pizza by myself. Ooh, wow, impressive! Yeah. Fat ass. And watched YouTube. That was pretty fun. Alright, I met up with my sister again, and then me, her, and her boyfriend went to her next class, which I totally paid attention to everything the professor was saying. Gosh, it was so magnificent. Honestly, I just watched YouTube. Secret, I just watched YouTube. Nobody knew. He was doing like experiments with stuff and with the students and stuff. I was watching YouTube, but he was very loud, booming voice. Honestly. After that, we went to the apartment.
Wow.
And I met up with my other sister and her boyfriend, and we went climbing. Everything there was super easy. If you happen to go to Austin Bouldering Project, like any decent climber, I am a decent climber. I am not a good climber. Any decent climber can literally do everything there. Not everything. I say like V0 to like V8. All of those easy. All of those were easy. There was one blue V6 that you literally had to step up twice, and it was like 2 crimps. It wasn't hard. It's shown right there.
It was forearms.
Right there. And then there was a very dynamic V4 with like two or three dynos, like 2 catches. It was really fun. I have it on a clip as well. And then there was a V7, a black V7, which was set wrong because it wasn't a V7, it was like a V3.
Let's go, Brandon. Come on, bring it up.
A guy in rental shoes could do it. It was easy. And then we went to get BBQ chicken. I love BBQ chicken.
Yeah, I do want a picture.
Bro, tell her to pick one.
Okay.
Gas. Great place. It was fun. And then I think that's it. This concludes my Austin trip, 2-day trip. It was pretty fun. Hopefully I can do more vlog-ishes like this. That'd be cool. But yeah, don't subscribe. I'm not gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
I don't know if you're really in love with me now.